Hello, it's Damien Pryor here, and today I am in the centre of Headingham and we are looking at this absolutely stunning 3-storey, 4-bedroom townhouse situated very close to the local primary school. And as you can see, this property is an absolute gem and you're in for a real treat. This is Blacksmith's Cottage. So now we're on the lower ground floor of this stunning 3-storey property, and we are in this open plan kitchen, living, dining, family room. So you are a family that loves to entertain, this room is a real bonus. We've got these sleek units, this wonderful central island with breakfast bars, and through here we've got a really well presented utility room, ideal for any family setup. So if you're a family looking for a highly versatile 3-storey, beautifully presented, large property situated in Headingham, then this is an absolute must-see. So do give me a ring and I'd love to show you around this property myself.